Hello, traders. She told me she was going to scalp, and I was like, when? She's like, when New York open. I said, all right, let's do it. She's like, what? Hello, traders. How are you? Welcome, 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 welcome. Hello, we are, I had some technical difficulty. Welcome. Anna DeShields here. Today is Thursday, 8/8/2024, and my name is Anna DeShields, and this is our live New York Open scalping session. This is for educational purposes only, and we are going to go ahead and let me go ahead and show really quickly my disclaimer really quick. I'll get that up to you, and then we'll get right into it. Sorry about that. I had some technical difficulty earlier, just not able to get on. This is my disclaimer. Okay, that's that. And then we'll get right into the market. Okay, here we are. It's already New York Open. 2 minutes into the opens. Fine, no worries. Gonna go ahead and work off of the 2 minutes since we got in late. Strong candle. Let's see how much seconds. Right now, you could wait till it passes the 21 here for the continuation. We should expect a continuation because when you have big bars, traders, you want to take your profits after the big bar. Now, this might not always apply at New York Open, but it's good to see if it does apply. And also right here, really nicely is a cross here on our commitment cross. And that's from giving credit to a trader that I've been with for a long time, Keisha Oliver. So I want to credit her on that. That's her strategy there. But we do have the 800 in our way. So if you're not using large size traders, that is your setup right there. And you won't be interfered by that 800 EMA in your way. It won't even really bother you. But other traders that want to go ahead and wait for that price to get through that EMA, that is what's in your way right now. So I'm setting up my 15-second chart because it's not showing the exact price. But right here is a great ideal entry that you can take for the long term during New York Open. See if she continues in that direction. She might not, but we'll have to see. So I'm just getting set up on my other monitor as well, and going to be able to get in these trades with you. So here, still pushing through, not pushing through that. There's resistances there, and we'll see what happens. Looking at the higher time frames on NAS, is buying up. She was nice and low. Got a nice deep entry with my scalping team last night. We were in practice. And so we got a great, beautiful entry because NAS is really low, really low on the higher time frames. Gate entry, she's right at the 200 on the, oh, look at that profit. Goodness gracious, from that entry yesterday. She's really low, traders, on the day, right at that 200, hasn't been there in years. So if she does buy up, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful entry. So one thing about that, traders, is when you wondering, well, is it going to continue to sell down? And then we kind of get stuck in that mindset thought. And then we forget, well, wait a minute, hold on. Like, wait, if she does buy up, oh my gosh, I have such low risk because she's so low. It's a beautiful low risk entry because she's at the bottom. So how could I put that in a different way? I'd have to think about that while we're watching the market. But it's like when it's like you're shopping. I'm picturing, and I see I'm at my favorite shoe store, and I find out about the great deal that they're having, and they said, oh, by the way, we're opening our stores early, and I wear a size 5.5 and dress shoes, and they have killer inventory, and it's only going to be available for an hour. And I find out about it. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm right there in the parking lot waiting for it to open. I've got the killer news, the best news that I only have an hour's worth before everyone else is going to come. And then all this great inventory for my shoes are going to be gone. So it's sort of like that when the market's really low and you can get in at a great opportunity. Similar for men with maybe their tools or I don't know, but anyways, in that type of simulation, and that type of example is what I'm referring to. So that's what Naz is doing right now. Great entry below in order to get in. And for the recording, I'll show you what I'm talking about because people will be like, what the heck is she talking about? Let's hurry up and find it. For some reason, I have my 850 hidden. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, here it is. Okay. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I tell you, I was today messed up because, hold on. All right, so we are breaking through the 800 here. If it breaks this 800 on the 15 second, then we're going to go down to the 800 that's underneath here somewhere. It should be on that 15 second somewhere. So for this entry, you do have EMAs here. You do have consolidation here. So you have a lot of bumpers, a bunch of cars and traffic in your way. But I do believe she'll go ahead and push through all of that. There's your push. If you got in now, then, you had to get in now. Now, as I'm talking, that's what you would have had to do. Otherwise, wait to see what happens, depending on your size. Miss C, my watcher on my team is on the call, and if she can measure for us, Miss C, if you can tell us how many points to that 50 on the 5, how many points to the 50 on the 5, please? She's going to let us know so we can see if we want to take that trade down there. Missy, are you on? I hope y'all can hear me. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Oh, okay, good. I was going to say, wouldn't that have been something I talked that whole time and no one heard me?
Sorry, I was unmuted. It's 84 points, Anna, to the green.
Okay, 84 points traders to the green. So let's talk about that. 84 points. How many beach levels is that, please? How many pivot levels is that?
That's 1, 2, 3.
3 pivot levels, traders. 3 pivot levels. And how many points between each pivot level? Ms. C, please.
42.
Okay, traders, 42 points between on the 1 minute or the 5 minute?
5 minutes.
Okay, what about the 1 minute? How many points between each level on the 1 minute?
Hit this on the wrong broker this morning. I'm a little disappointed. 10 points.
Here's my levels. 10 points. Okay. So that would be how many pivot levels on the 1 minute to the 200? How many pivot levels?
Pivot level is 1, 2 on the 1 minute.
Okay.
No, to the 50 on the 1 minute, Anna?
No, to the 200 on the 1 minute.
200. 1, 2 pivot levels.
Okay, 2 pivot levels at how much? 10 per piece?
At 10, yes.
Okay, so that's 20 points traders to the 200. 20 points to the 200. Stop loss can be right here on my chart here on this middle one. You can put your stop loss right there for the 20 gain. If it doesn't take it, then fine, you're out. Okay. If it doesn't take it, fine, you're out. That's really looking good. We broke our 800. I feel like we'll get forced off of that. We're breaking the 221 stop loss right above here. And we want that commitment down over here on the very left. We have hesitation here. If it breaks that, she's going to go ahead and go. There she goes. Remember, off of big bars, we should get more off of big bars. We should get more of what we want. Miss C, if you can start a tally of that concept, don't get out on our wealth bar rule. On our wealth rule, we'll put a tally and a date, how many times it's true and how many times it's not.